Now they call this thing the PlayStation 5 Slim, man, but I'm gonna tell you, this box is pretty massive. Doesn't feel too slim at all. So let's see what's all is packed inside of this thing. I guess this was the limited edition Spider-Man 2 one bundle. Includes the the voucher with the non-disc game, which is pretty cool, even though this is the disc version. This is my first PlayStation since PlayStation 2, man. I've been doing a lot of Xbox and mobile gaming, if you like any of that. Enough talking, let's see what else comes inside. Ooh-rah, this box is big. Okay, so you got the Spider-Man 2 branding right here, Sony PlayStation 5, the 1 terabyte model. So pretty cool, unless you download one game of Call of Duty. It'll probably take up all of your memory. And then we got Play Like Never Before, lightning speed, breathtaking, stunning games. This box is pretty cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. They did their really good thing here when it comes to the graphics. If I slide this thing over to the side here, you have to excuse the camera. It just tells you all the things that are inside. PlayStation 5, disk drive. I like how they said that you can detach this. That's pretty cool. A horizontal stand, not the ones that you got to pay the money for, but the other horizontal stand. HDMI cable, AC power cable, and USB cable, USB-C, to go ahead and charge your controller there. Xbox, here's something for you, man. Get this together, right? Been playing Xbox for years, and they still are sending the controllers with the removable back. It's time to get with the times, Xbox. Like, I still love you, but you got to get right, man. Sony has it where you're ready to game right there and then. So they got one up on you. Literature, and then the Spider-Man, Marvel Spider-Man 2 voucher. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna adjust the camera right here again, man. This thing is huge. So let's see, I think we should be good right there. Oh, this box is heavy too, man. So let's go ahead and open this up. I could have just cut it open because I'm going to throw away the box, and let's do that. Oh, wow, that was easy. Open it up. All right. It would have been nice if they had like some branding right here saying, you know, PlayStation gameplay awaits, or whatever PlayStation's thing is when they talk about gaming. So I believe this is just a shell of the box. So let's go ahead and take this out then, if this is just a shell. Because I'm going to throw all this away, man. Like, I don't need the box. You know what I'm saying? And you don't need it either, unless you want it and you're do those type of collecting things. So somebody's heart just ripped. I can hear it when I did that. Oh, wow, look. And then, I'm just throw that down. And then you got the Sony emblem right here, all rights reserved. I really, really like that. They did a really great, superior job with that. So let's see how we can open this thing up. And you all can let me know if I'm doing this wrong. Again, I have not had a PlayStation since PlayStation 2. So this will be my first time using a Sony product, you know? Okay, so I got my cable right here to plug in. I think this cable is really cool because this goes for the Xbox, the PlayStation, my computer, and I believe you can use the same one for the Apple TV. So this is really cool. So it comes with this cable. Oh, okay. These are the feet. I've seen this on videos before. Let's take a look at this. It's plastic. It's really good build quality for these. Okay. Okay, cool, man. I like that. So you got the feet right here, and I'm going to take all this all up for you all to see. Open it up more. And killing the game. HDMI cable. Now, I don't know if this is a 4K HDMI cable. I would assume it is. If not, I have one. That says high speed. So, not sure, but I got an HDMI 4K cable. USB-C to USB-C to charge this up. I got a lot of stuff in this bag here, right? The thing that everyone has been talking about, the DualSense controller. And this thing, it got some weight on it, man. It feels great. I like it. Yeah, again, I haven't had PlayStation since PlayStation 2. Like, we still had memory cards back when I had PlayStation. And there's the USB-C charger right there. And then the Sony branding. I think this is really cool, man. Thus far, I'm really excited to get back into gaming with PlayStation. This is really cool. And so, I'm trying to do this right for you all. It looks like the only thing left inside of the box is the PlayStation. And then we have a literature. So, I'm not going to read this. I'm pretty sure I know how to turn on my PlayStation and get going. So, our literature. Set that aside for now. Usually I just throw it, but I said I'm going to turn over a new leaf, man. And then our Sony PlayStation 2, or Sony PlayStation 5 Spider-Man 2 game. And I'm pretty sure this has the code on the back. Okay. And now, our PlayStation, man. Let's get it. This thing is heavy, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna set it down like this and try to, oh yeah, that's a lot better. And there's nothing left inside the box. So I can throw that down, get rid of this. Cool, man, let's get it. And let's just unravel this. Does it slide out? Wow, this is cool, man. And there we go, the Sony PlayStation 5. I don't know what they provided the feet for, because, oh, okay, it kind of rocks. Listen. Yeah, okay. So there it is in all its glory, man. Let's go ahead and take this tape off of this. Really nice, man. Now, I don't know if you can see, because no other videos are showing it. Like, this part is a matte, and then this part is glossy. I really love that. I would have preferred if the whole thing was glossy, kind of like this right here. But hey, man, it's my first PlayStation, so beggars can't be choosy, right? So, let's take a look around this thing. A lot of vents. I'm going to say they're going to be able to keep this thing really, really cool here. This is the back of it, right? I'm sorry, this is the front. Yeah, man. Actually, this is the upside down. And then you got the PlayStation emblem right there. Triangle, circle, X, and square. Wow, this thing is massive, dude. The eject button, a power button, USB-C to go ahead and charge it. And then these plates come off very, very easy. Looking on the back here for our power cable, our USB-C, our USB ports, our LAN port if we wanted to have a wired connection, and then the HDMI cable right here. And then they even have, I believe this is like a Kensington lock right here. And this thing is fully vented, bro. So I really like that. And then you got the Sony PlayStation emblem right here, right? So let's go ahead and set this down and show you everything that you get as such, you know? We got our Sony PlayStation 5 right here. There we go. Our PlayStation, the controller, power cable, HDMI, USB-C. Let's take these out because I said I would show you what they look like. The feet, our literature, and the Spider-Man 2 game. So a lot of cool stuff that came along with this. I'm gonna put the feet on to show you what that looks like. And that's gonna be it for this vid, man. It's raining. I got the high-speed internet. It's time to game, bro. Let's get it. So let me show you what the feet look like. And then we're gonna get to gaming. And then you all let me know if you wanna see more videos with me gaming and doing stuff like that. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit with our camera here so you can see me put the feet on. They go in these little grooves right here. And I really like the fact that this is really like user accessible. So you put it in this way, I believe. There's one. And then you put the other one just like this. And now this thing will stand up as it should. Wow. Really solid build quality, Sony. Really love it. You all did a phenomenal job with this, right? Really like it. You know, it's not too much other to say, man, but Sony did their thing when it came to this, and I'm really, really happy to be part of the PlayStation family. So thank you guys for rocking with me for over 2 years of doing this whole YouTube thing. I'm going to switch up the channel a little bit, man. Maybe we do more behind the scenes, or maybe more of what I do after I get done filming the videos, gaming. And if you all have any suggestions as far as videos that you want to see, please drop them in the comments below, and just go ahead and put Steph in there. Hey Steph, and I'll shout you out in the next video. Okay, this has been Steph, man. I'm gonna change up the channel name too. I think, you know, it's a new year, man. Let's do stuff a new way. So until the next video, guys, this has been Steph, man. Let's get it. PlayStation 5, man. Spider-Man, let's get it. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys.